double check. What? You do that? Oh, absolutely. It's easy. Success. That's all work. Give me a second. So where I'm at with this, I ordered the EGR delete kit. I removed the pipe that goes to the turbo. Goes to here. So in the kit there's a plate that comes to cover this hole. The return line to the intake. There's a couple of things missing on the engine. Among those, an alternator. Order the alternator. There's also the they call it the intake manifold actuator. So order that as well. With there's a fix for it. There's a little plate that prevents the actuator, I guess, to move out of range. And this was known issue that caused the engine to overrun, I believe. So anyhow, it's only $10, so why not put it in when I do it. I'm gonna need to source that part. It's a cooling pipe that runs along the side here. It's shattered. This engine came from an accidented car. So the only visible damage that I could see to the engine was that pipe, so I had to take it out. It was a little tricky to get out, but I was able to get it out. And now I just need to look up at the part number and order this piece as well. Other thing, there was an injector that wouldn't go in this socket, and then that injector was always out when I got it, so I thought it was just a matter of screwing it in. But when I troubleshooted it, I was trying to screw it in, but there was interference. So I looked in it, and there was a little bit of gravel. I guess that engine was sitting outside, and then I'm not sure what happened. There was maybe gravel like fell down there, so I cleaned it up. It was a little tricky. I used the compressed air and then a little wire to fish that little piece of rock that was stuck in there. And then I fished it out, and then I was able to fit the glow plug. Sorry, I don't know if I said injector, but this is the glow plug. I was able to pull the little rock and fit the glow plug back in there. So I cranked the engine over, and then it seems to be turning nicely. So I guess we'll take it from there. The rest of the troubleshooting will be in the Jeep when it's mounted. this rack goes like this, and this rack goes like this. You video, okay?
Okay.
You don't move it. You don't move.
Can you please pause for a second? Actually, no.
You ready?
Ready.
Okay, look careful. So I'm reassembling the gear basket in the NV3550. Just to mention that all the synchro ring, they have grooves. So this one has 2 grooves, this one has 1 groove, and this one's actually installed backward. The groove should be facing the other way. And I have another one here with 1 single groove. And if you look at the schematic here, the double groove forward is number 1, which is going to be the one like all the way to the left. And then all the grooves actually facing the left side. So this one should be, the groove should be facing the other way. So that's what we're going to do. So I was putting the last piece here, and I made a big boo-boo. So guess my day's over until I figure this out.